Can someone over 50 really build a digital side hustle that could eventually replace their income or even grow into something much bigger? That's exactly what we're going to find out, because the answer isn't simply yes or no. It comes down to choosing the right business model, learning the right digital skills, and then sticking with them long enough to let those skills pay off. I'm Trevor, and on this channel, I help people over 50 discover practical ways to build an online income without needing to be a tech expert or spending every waking hour glued to a computer. If you'd like to learn more after this video, my business partner has put together a free affiliate marketing masterclass. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, here's something that surprised me. Most people over 50 aren't choosing the wrong side hustle. They're asking the wrong question. Let me explain. When people first start looking for ways to make money online, they usually ask, what's the easiest side hustle? I don't think that's the right question. The better question would be, which opportunity teaches me skills that become more valuable every year? Because if you're constantly jumping from one opportunity to another, you're always back at square one. And let's be honest, that gets tiring very quickly. It's a bit like planting a tree. If you dig it up every few weeks and move it somewhere else, it never gets the chance to grow. The same thing happens when people chase every new trend they see on YouTube. Instead of building momentum, they keep starting over. So what makes a good digital side hustle after 50? For me, there are four things. It shouldn't cost a fortune to start. You should be able to work from home. It should fit around your lifestyle rather than take it over. And perhaps most importantly, it should teach you skills that you can keep using for years to come. Because skills are something nobody can take away from you. When you learn things like digital marketing, creating useful content, understanding your audience, and using simple automation tools, you're building knowledge that can be applied to lots of different online businesses. You're investing in yourself first. The business comes second. Now, here's another myth that holds a lot of people back. I need a brilliant business idea before I can start. Actually, most successful online businesses don't begin with a revolutionary idea. They begin by solving problems that people are already trying to solve. That's a huge shift in thinking. Instead of asking, why can I invent? Ask yourself, what are people already looking for help with? Once you understand that, you're no longer guessing. You're probably providing value, and that's where sustainable businesses begin. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to check out the free affiliate marketing masterclass in the description below. It's designed to help beginners understand the fundamentals without feeling overwhelmed. One of the reasons I actually believe people over 50 have an advantage is something most people never talk about. You're probably not looking for the next shiny object. You've reached the stage in life where you know that anything worthwhile takes time to build. You're more likely to stick to a plan, follow a process, and keep going when others have already given up. That's a huge advantage online because successful digital businesses aren't built by the smartest people. They're built by the people who keep showing up, keep learning, and keep improving. If you can do that, you're already ahead of a lot of people who quit after a few weeks because they expected instant results. So where does affiliate marketing fit into all of this? For me, it's one example of a business model that allows you to apply these digital skills without creating your own product from day one. You recommend products or services that you genuinely believe are useful. If someone decides to buy through your referral, you may earn a commission. Like any business, it still takes learning consistency and building trust with an audience. It's not a shortcut, but it can be a practical way to develop valuable online skills while building a business over time. And let's come back to the question, is earning £10,000 a month possible? Some online businesses do reach that level, many don't. There isn't a guaranteed outcome. What I've learned is that focusing on a number isn't nearly as important as focusing on becoming more capable every month. People who build successful businesses usually have one thing in common. They keep learning, they keep improving, and they keep creating. And over time, those small improvements begin to compound. The income, if it comes as a result of the value they've built and the consistency they've shown. If you're serious about learning more, the free affiliate marketing masterclass is a great place to start. It explains the fundamentals, the skills involved, and gives you a clearer picture of how this business model works. You'll find the link in the description below. So here's the takeaway. You're not too old, you're not too late, and you certainly don't need to be a technology expert. What you do need is curiosity, are willing to learn, the patience to stay consistent, and the determination to keep moving forward one step at a time. Now that you've seen why learning digital marketing skills can open the door to building an online business, the next thing you'll probably want to explore is different ways that skills can be used. So click on the video on your screen now. 5 easy passive income ideas for beginners 50 plus working from home. I think you'll really enjoy that one, and I'll see you there.